Are you someone who has difficulties lasting longer in bed? Are you frustrated? Are you hoping for a better solution? We also all know that having long-lasting sex is more pleasurable and satisfying for both males and females. But you might be wondering, what can I do to last longer in bed without taking any sort of pills which might have serious side effects on your overall health? Not being able to last longer in bed might be due to many factors, in which lack of exercises that target the lower belly region can be one. The accumulation of fat in this area might reduce the flow of blood in the penis, thereby leading to a weaker erection or erectile dysfunction, which leads to low sex duration time. You will be more flexible if you are muscular and mobile, but you also need to have some endurance. While a 4-hour sex session may not be everybody's cup of tea, 4 minutes usually isn't long enough. In this video, we will show you just one exercise that will make you a champion in bed. This exercise will burn fat around the lower belly region and increase blood flow into the penis. Thereby, you will have a stronger erection and long-lasting and pleasurable sex. Therefore, stay tuned and watch the full video. And also, for those who will make it till the end, we have a bonus tip for you that will help you burn fat all over your body and give you a strong and lean physique. It's applicable to both men and women. You don't want to miss this out. If it is your first time here, welcome to Healthy Life. Here we help you stay fit, stay healthy, and live a healthy lifestyle. We lovingly invite you to join our fast-growing community by subscribing to our channel. Thank you. With that being done, let's get into the video. This one exercise is nothing but the reverse crunch. Reverse crunches. This exercise targets the rectus abdominis, the muscle in your abdomen that forms your six-pack, and is a problematic core workout. It's an easy exercise that both novices and fitness enthusiasts can learn in a matter of minutes. You can up the repetitions and sets as you gain strength to make the movement more difficult. What advantages does the reverse crunch offer? Many of the advantages of a standard crunch also apply to a reverse crunch. However, it is believed to be less stressful on your spine because your neck and the rest of your back stay on the ground. Here are a few of a reverse crunch's main advantages. 1. Makes your rectus abdominis stronger. The reverse crunch mainly targets your six-pack's abdominal muscles. This muscle's main job is to flex your spine and trunk to relieve pressure on your neck. People frequently pull their necks forward with their hands during crunches and sit-ups. The reverse crunch prevents your neck from being in jeopardy and maintains your head flat on the floor. Less taxing on your back than crunches are. 2. The stress on your spinal discs is reduced when you perform reverse crunches with a lesser forward bend, according to research. Compared to conventional crunches, reverse crunches don't induce as much spine bending. They are thought to be easier for your back. For a number of core muscle strength objectives, reverse crunches also work your external obliques and transversus abdominis, the deep abdominal muscle under your six-pack. Burning fat in this area and increasing the strength of this muscle will increase blood flow into the penis and you will have a stronger erection. Please, before we continue, a thumbs up will be helpful. We appreciate it, and it means the world to us. 3. All you need for a reverse crunch is your body weight and a simple setup. This implies that you can perform them whenever and wherever you like. Is there anything negative about this exercise? The obliques aren't as heavily targeted by the reverse crunch as they are by some other core workouts. The two layers of muscle on either side of your core, known as your obliques, support your trunk's capacity to bend and twist. For the purpose of enhancing athletic performance, there has been a shift away from isolated core training in recent years. The emphasis is more on executing coordinated motions that closely resemble athletic movements. If your goal is to increase your athletic performance through strength training, you might want to incorporate dynamic core movements, such as the perfect reverse crunch, into your routine. How to do it? With your knees bent at a 90-degree angle and your back flat on the ground, lie face up on a mat or other soft surface. Keep your arms by your sides, palms facing down. Brace your core as you exhale. Your thighs should be vertical when you lift your feet off the ground. Throughout the movement, maintain a 90-degree bend in your knees. As far as you can easily do so without lifting your mid-back off the mat, tuck your knees up towards your face. Your lower back and hips should rise off the ground. Hold for a second, then gradually bring your feet back down until they are level with the floor. A few things to bear in mind. Try to move slowly through the exercise. When you tuck forward, your hips and lower back should lift off the mat, but your mid-back should remain pressed against it. Safety measures and considerations. If you have any neck or back issues or injuries, consult your physician or physical therapist to see whether this workout is suitable for you. By the way, if you want to know why you should see a physician before starting any physical activity, watch the video appearing at the top right corner of your screen. During this workout, you can anticipate experiencing stress and possibly even burning in your abdominal muscles, but no severe pain. On returning to a comfortable posture slowly, if you feel any pain in your neck, back, or stomach, then stop the exercise immediately and see your physician. Now, we promise you a bonus tip at the beginning of this video. If you made it so far, thank you. To get the maximum of the reverse crunch exercise for a maximum fat burn in the lower belly region and the rest of your body as well. Associate this exercise with these metabolism boosters drinks, which will boost your metabolism and cause your body to eliminate fat faster. They are just incredible, and many people around the world are testifying about these amazing metabolism boosters. If you are struggling with fat, then these are for you. What are you waiting for? Get yours now by clicking the first 2 links in the description, and associate it with your routine, and your nights will be heaven on earth. You'll thank us later in the comments. Tell us in the comment what is your favorite exercise to burn lower belly fat. Also, if you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with someone else. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching.